In this video, we're reviewing DeepL, a leading AI translation tool. Check the description for links. DeepL aims to revolutionize translation with incredibly accurate, context-aware language processing. It surpasses many traditional tools in quality and usability, perfect for professionals, content creators, marketers, and anyone needing fast, reliable translations. Supporting multiple languages, DeepL's deep learning models train on massive datasets, producing fluent and natural translations. A standout feature is its ability to preserve the original text's tone and style, a common challenge for machine translation. Whether it's technical documents, casual chats, or marketing copy, DeepL delivers almost human-like results. DeepL Pro offers unlimited translations, API access, and enhanced privacy. The interface is clean and intuitive, ideal for beginners and experts. Simply enter your text, choose the language, and get a near-instant translation. DeepL also has a browser extension and integrates with platforms like Microsoft Office for seamless workflow integration. Compared to competitors like Google Translate, DeepL offers superior quality, especially for European languages. In short, DeepL is a powerful, user-friendly tool providing high-quality, context-aware translations for everyone. Whether you're translating documents, emails, or web content, DeepL is a hard-to-beat choice.